Hi, welcome to Budapest. Let's start with Kurtoskalacs, local specialty. Entering Pest, the east part of the city, we cross the Danube River on Margaret Bridge. First major attraction is stunning Hungarian Parliament Building. It was built in 1904 and is second biggest building in the whole Hungary. It has almost 18,000 meters square. Walking across Budapest, we can find many crowded streets and incredible buildings. Like St. Stephen's Basilica. It is the most important Roman Catholic church in Hungary. In front of it, every year takes place Christmas market. Nearby, there are some fashion streets Some shops are in architectural pearls. For me, one of the biggest attractions is Central Market Hall, which is largest and oldest indoor market in Hungary. It was opened in 1897 and it has 3 floors. It opens Monday to Saturday, but be careful, on Saturday it closes at 3 p.m. You can buy here souvenirs, food like meat, sausage and ham. Certainly, you can eat their Kurtoskalacs and see how it is being made. And a lot of paprika, which Hungary is famous for. Now a little stop for us for Langos. Szechenyi Thermal Bath. It is the largest medical bath in Europe and in my opinion must-visit attraction in Budapest. The building and the baths are magnificent. The ticket for a whole day here costs 12,000 forint, so 30 euro, and it's definitely worth it. Nearby there is a nice park and a place to drink lemonade. Whole city is very well connected. There are 4 lines of metro. Here in Budapest there was the first metro in Europe and it was opened in 1896. Buying metro ticket is very easy. One ticket costs a little above €1. We traveled the oldest line and as you can see it's really shallow. Szechenyi Thermal Bridge. The beautiful bridge built in 1849. It connects Buda and Pest. It has 375 meters. We walked along the bridge to come back to our car, which we parked in Buda. There are plenty of tourist boats on the river Danube. On Buda there are as well many attractions and I hope next time we will be able to attend them. If you liked this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. See you soon!